Topcon 2D-MC is an automatic grade control solution designed to adapt to different grading attachments for compact equipment. It was developed from Topcon's 3D-MC software platform.
So this 2D-MC solution is really for an attachment that goes on the front of a compact track loader, where a person can have a trailer, take his little machine off the trailer, arrive on site, measure what's there, design what's supposed to be there, and immediately start grading in less than an hour. That's really what is the big difference of this solution. This is the most simple system where we're just simply going to declare what grade we want, and that's all it does. If we want to cross the line of, well, I want more, we have that, but that was the intent of this 2D-MC system, is to keep it that simple functionality for the grading on these smaller sites and finishing of the finished grading on subdivisions and roads.
Topcon Marketing Manager for Construction, Oscar Cantu, detailed the technology for Heavy Equipment Guide President and Publisher Ken Singer at World of Concrete.
It's also a really phenomenal way to extend an existing asset in the compact track loader, and for contractors to get into really a different segment of their industry of being able to do fine grading on job sites.
You're exactly right. The gentleman that was just here earlier from North Texas said that he has a machine and he bought it for a tunnel vision purpose, but now he finds himself doing sidewalks. He's going into custom pools, utility work. What he initially got the system for a few months ago has changed. He's expanding what his company can do without having to hire new folks.
The 2D-MC system is installed directly onto an attachment and uses laser receivers working with rotary lasers.
So with this system being set up here, if I were to have switch over to a different attachment, I would just move the black box, move the receivers with the accordion cable, and off I go with a different attachment on the same day. The way that this system connects to the machine in the spinal cord of it, and I mean that literally, we don't have to take away the joysticks of the machine and put our joysticks. We connect to the machine internally, that if I have a compact track loader, the joysticks that I bought with it are the same joysticks I'm going to use with this Topcon 2D-MC system. It's non-invasive is what I'm saying. So there are some components that we put on the attachment. There's these two masts that go on the attachment with laser receivers and a rotating construction laser on a tripod, and off you go. From what was a couple of years ago new and novel for putting this type of guidance on compact machines is now normal and expected. I can't imagine in the next 3 to 5 years using these little machines without it. The little machines do the finish work. So they're realizing the value of having that precision and repeatability for the finish work at the end, not just for the bigger machines when it started.
2D-MC was created to help contractors and operators hit a target grade more precisely and in less time.
That time savings is what had us talking about these, with a 2D-MC system, turns these compact machines into time machines. We're actually saving ourselves time on these projects with this type of repeatability that we've been looking for.
With Ken Singer at World of Concrete, Arturo Santiago, Heavy Equipment Guide.